guys, my name is Star and today I'm bringing you our Valentine's Day show. So first off, we're gonna start with Cassidy and the Lonely Hearts Club.
Hi everyone, Cassidy here. And if you're like me, you're probably lonely this Valentine's season. You may have tried to get with someone. I have. It's a long story. But anyway, if you're going to be alone this Valentine's, like you have been every year of your life, then here are some things that you can do to make the most out of your single Valentine's Day. You can binge watch movies and TV shows. If you want a recommendation from me, I'm personally enjoying Abbott Elementary and Only Murders in the Building, both of which you can watch on Hulu. Or if you're more into sports and you're kind of upset about the Super Bowl ending, I'm not, you can enjoy the Winter Olympic Games that just started up. You can cook. If you don't feel like curling up with some ice cream and crying about being single over and over again, then you can cook. You can do whatever. It doesn't mean you have to be Chef Boyardee or Gordon Ramsay. It just means don't burn your house down, or someone else's house down for that matter. You can read, and I mean reading actual books instead of Snapchat and Instagram DMs. You can catch up on your sleep. Sleep is very important, and I know that more, if not all of us, stay up till like 3 a.m. and then expect to wake up at 7. And you could
Tried to stop him.
You didn't try hard enough.
I went like this. I tried to stop him.
Oh my god. Well, anyways, Isaac sucks, everyone. You know what doesn't suck? Doing your homework. Get that GPA up. Study for that test. Because, if we're being completely honest, I failed 2 classes last semester, and still, I somehow have a better GPA than roughly 70% of all of you. Therefore, get those grades up. And while the lights are still shining bright on me when I didn't want them, that's really all I can think of. You can do whatever you want to this Valentine's, but if you're going to be alone, you don't have to wallow in despair, even though half of us say that we're depressed. I'm not, because I gave myself a lot of suggestions, and I hope you do too. But no matter if you're going out for Valentine's Day or staying in, remember to stay safe and wear a mask.
Welcome back, Jags. Next up we have me and I'm going to be baking some red velvet cookies.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Star. I'm making red velvet cookies today. So first you can see me, I'm putting in the flour. Obviously I'm dumb because I didn't center the bowl into the camera where y'all can see, so now y'all can't see me put in that flour. But I put in that flour flawlessly. Looks like I had to put in more than 1 cup because, you know, cookies take more than 1 cup of flour. Yeah, and then I put the flour up. So now I'm putting in what is that? Oh, that's chocolate powder or powdered chocolate. Whatever. Did y'all know red velvet cookies are actually just chocolate cookies in disguise? They're just red. So like if you ever hear someone say, "Oh my gosh, I prefer red velvet over chocolate," cap. They straight capping. Oh yeah, I just put in the baking soda. And then I'm gonna put in the salt next. But yeah, if anyone ever says that like they like chocolate or no, they like red velvet over chocolate, they straight capping because they are the exact same thing. Oh, and then you gotta mix that up. Cause like no, literally you use chocolate to make red velvet. So how do you like red velvet more than chocolate? It's the same thing. It literally is. You can't change my mind. Obviously you can't because I'm the one baking here and you're not. Anyways, I wasn't dumb this time. I actually centered the bowl. So now you can see me put in what is that, brown sugar? Bro, why is brown sugar so clumpy? Oh my gosh, I spent like a good, obviously y'all can't see this, but I probably spent a good 20 minutes trying to break up that brown sugar. Look at me, I'm still doing it right now. Bro, what is up with brown sugar? You can't leave this stuff in the pantry or else it'll get all hard, and then it just gets all clumpy. Like, you gotta buy I need to buy a new batch of like brown sugar every single time I bake, and that's not often. Like, honestly, it ain't. Where did I go? Homie, come back. What am I doing? Wait, hold on. I don't even know what I'm doing. Am I grabbing the sugar? What am I doing? What you doing by the sink, bro? I'm drying my hands, bro. I probably had to wash my hands. Bro, why am I walking like that? Ugh. Ma'am, put the sugar in the bowl. Thank you. Now I'm putting in the white sugar. Took you long enough. Jeez. What am I doing? What did you grab? Where are you going? Anyways, I can go ahead and list a few people who can beat Goku in a fight. So, number 1, Sailor Moon. That it's pretty explainable. Like, that's self-explanatory, y'all. Like, it's Sailor Moon. I don't even know where I went, but it's Sailor Moon. Come on, y'all. Oh, for those who watch, oh, I'm back. Oh, I heated up the butter. Oh, right, because I don't set my butter out overnight like how I should. So this is me putting in the butter. Make sure your butter is nice and soft before you put it in the bowl. Now I'm just mixing it up. But anyways, continuing what I was saying. Next up, Psyche K. If y'all ain't never seen The Disastrous Life of Psyche K, I'm gonna need you to go watch that on Netflix right now, because even though he may be a comedy character, that man can beat Goku in a heartbeat. Look at me mixing all this stuff, bro. I had to take a break. I'm mixing this with hand, or I'm mixing this by hand with hand. No, of course I am. I'm mixing this by hand. See, look, yep, see, I was showing y'all. Look at that. That's how your batter should be looking by now, if you are following the recipe. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Psyche, he can 100% beat Goku in a fight. Y'all can't fight me on that. If you haven't seen Psyche, oh, now you add in the egg. But if y'all haven't seen Psyche K, like, oh my gosh, this pink hair dude, like, the minute he takes out one of his little antennas, bro, it's all over. The world is gone. And I don't even want to hear you Goku fans in the comments. Like, okay, next we put in what is that? The food coloring. I decided to go rogue. I made purple velvet cookies, if that makes any sense, because I did like a teaspoon of red and then half a teaspoon of blue, and so now they're all like purple and stuff. But anyways, like, Psyche K can beat Goku. Y'all can't even come at me. Oh, and for those of you who like Teen Titans Go over regular Teen Titans, we all need to have a talk, because no ma'am, no. Yes, in Teen Titans Go, Cyborg and Beast Boy, they do got some good jokes, but those are like the only two good people like in Teen Titans Go. Come on, y'all. I don't even know what else I just put in there. I'm just ranting at this point. But Teen Titans Go. Hold on, bro. Wait. What just happened? Hey, yo! What happened? Bruh, did my phone die? I know my phone didn't just die. Bro, my phone just... Bruh. Not my phone dying. You know what? I'm done. I'm just done. Yeah, I'm done. I'm going to sleep. Good night.
Beyond commercial break plus ultra.
So, as you may have noticed, I took quite a liking to the green screen since last time, and I'm gonna start using it more and practicing with it. And I figured a good way to test out what I can do with it is to, promote Jag News. So, if this works properly, it should go something like this. Bam! Right? Should have worked. So, what this is support my club. And support my club is, somewhere where you can donate money to support a club. And in our scenario, it's Jag News from South Mountain High School. Our goal right now, as you can see, is 300, but we have no donations as of now. So if you want to be the first one, then go right ahead. So what you have to do first, help us donate. You got options of 5, 10, stuff like that, right? You can have another amount. And what you gotta do first is add your card information, right? And then you gotta add your address. If you have a military address, you can do that too. You gotta add all your information, your name, email, and stuff. And then at the very bottom, if you would like, you can add a comment. And you just gotta push that little orange button and submit, and then you're done. And that's how you can help us, get better videos, make better stuff for you guys, and just overall improve the quality and help support Jag News. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys soon.
This year has been crazy. From the multiple fights we've had at the beginning of the year to the weird devious slick challenge, a new one, to the flood happening in the building. I'd say that this year is definitely one of the most memorable yearbook. You never know what you might find in the yearbook. Like, if I open up last year's yearbook, I could find my favorite TikTokers.
Hey Jaguars, it's me, Isaac again, and if you like our class, join it. It's not that hard. You can just ask Mitch Jankowski or talk to your counselor. It's a pretty fun class if you ask me. Just record, edit, entertain. Yeah, so not bad. I'm in it, so. Anyway, yeah, so join the class. Don't be scared. Yeah, go Jags.
We also have a support my club page, so please go on it and support our club and donate. We would really appreciate it.
We all know what Valentine's Day is. We've all participated in it, whether that be, giving flowers, chocolates, or even balloons and bears and stuff. But have you ever wondered where it came from? Well, neither have I, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. Follow me. Over here. So the spirit of Valentine's all started because of a priest who opposed the rules of their emperor Claudius II. Claudius treated their army very roughly, he wanted to be strict, and they would always take them on long and exhausting wars and fights. And that caused the soldiers to become, lovesick and homesick, because they would never be home. So the Claudius, to resolve this problem, he just banned marriage overall. But the priest, priest Valentine, he opposed Claudius, and he would start marrying people without his permission because Claudius banned marriage. So he would be marrying young couples in secret, and this led to him getting caught, and then he got sentenced to execution. There's a funny twist, and apparently before he was executed, he actually fell in love with his jailer's daughter. And how this happened was, she'd often visit her, and she'd often visit him, and they would talk, and in the end, before he was executed, he left her a love note, and that's where the famous phrase "from your Valentine" came from, because it was signed after the note. It said "from your Valentine," and he was executed, and that was her first love. But to honor him, to honor his name and stuff, Pope Galatius named February 14th Saint Valentine's Day to honor his name. But it was also in a way to curb the idea of this, Roman celebration that, it was a little weird. So this celebration was a little, unique. It was weird. So it was a Roman celebration in order to honor the Roman gods and the Roman founders. And it was mainly the love god, the mating god. And how it started was, first they'd sacrifice an animal. It could be a pig, a cow, a horse, or something, right? They had to execute an animal, and then they skinned that animal and used their skin as whips. So after they used their skin as whips, they'd whip the woman to make sure they were fertile and ready for mating and for the future generation, so their kids would come out fine. So it wasn't actually related with love until the Middle Ages, when Galatius Chaucer linked February 14th with the bird's mating season, and that's where the idea of love came in. But after that, it became more popular and more things came to be. So now then over the years, it started getting popularity with, it was related with love and stuff. And it started making billions, it actually makes billions now each year. And it's rather because of gifts, jewelry, candies and stuff. And people are complaining about it, that it's over marketed, but I just feel like let them just spend their money if they want. I mean, it's their option, if you want to spend it or not. Getting flowers, jewelry, or whatever you're gonna get. But yeah, that's how Valentine's came to be. It's a little more weirder than I'm pretty sure I expected, so I'm guessing you guys too. And it's just weird. But anyways, that was it of how Valentine's was, invented and created. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Have a happy Valentine's, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hey everyone, Daniel here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some clips of me asking students here at South some Valentine's Day questions. Hope you enjoy.
My name is Marco.
My name is Perla.
Maday.
Adeline.
My name is Eric Chavez III.
I'm gonna just say tulips.
The dump.
Chocolate, candy, and a teddy bear. Heart shape, a box of chocolate.
Give me a second. I have no idea. I'd ask my boyfriend. I don't know what he wants to watch. But we'll probably watch a funny movie because we like that. Bro, I call my honey, bebe. I say love. That's my main one. Yeah. Call your lover love.
Cupcakes or cake. Box of chocolates.
I'm here with Marco, you feel me? Hey, today we're we're all about life, you feel me? Here in the city. Here in the state. Are you actually recording? Alright, delete it.
Hey, that's it.
That's it? Yeah.
Oh hell yeah, okay then.
Alright guys, thank you for joining us today on our Valentine's Day special show. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we enjoyed putting it together for you. And I hope you all have an amazing and a very beautiful Valentine's Day. I'll see you next show. Bye!